Tnat ki kam Jngohkai Pyrthei ke Sarkar Megalaya mentaka sengi kan sepelat pajba ya ke app ha ke bagi Nongjngohkai Pyrthei ki bawan sya kene gejela kila ban wat ya ki jingtip baro syapang unongnya kali kamai uban yalam yaki syaki jaka Jngohkai Pyrthei baper. Habia keren bat kilat pathai kubor u director jong Tnat Jngohkai Pyrthei uba CVD dingdo ulaong bagani ka sen jam kan kintiu ya ka jingshem jong ki Nongjngohkai bat kan Pynmih yaki kalat ke besuk ban wat ya unongnya kali kamai. Kani ka app kan Pynmih ya baro ki jing donkam na ka benta ki Nongjngohkai Pyrthei ki bawan jengok ya ka jela Megalaya ka bayarap ya ki banyo jingtip ki bakham benia ha ka bayadei bat ki jing syakri ha ka than ha ka juk ka por ulaong ba ka jing ya kren bat ka seng jong ki nongnya kali kamai ha ka bayadei bat ki jing jong ki kadang yaj bat ka komiti ke bau yalam kadang persangkat bala ban Pynmih ya kilat ki lenti ki bala ban pediang.
The government come up with an app where the details of these tourist taxi associations, the recognized ones, including the details of all the drivers who are members of these associations, including their routes that they take, can be listed on this app so that tourists who come to the state of Meghalaya can go to a Meghalaya tourism government app and get all these details, and that will help our taxi drivers to, to publicize their services and also enhance their capacity so that better services are given to tourists who visit the state of Meghalaya.
Ka United